Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. Lim Siako.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, and maraming salamat, Honorable Swansing. Again, as presented and as based on the statement of the corporation, this one is a proposal for year 2025 for the 30th anniversary of the corporation. When you say 30th anniversary, this is a milestone year, Mr. Chair, Honorable Swansing. And based on the discussion last night with the board, this amount reduced already. Reduced, binaba po siya. And the amount, Mr. Chair, Honorable Swansing, for the anniversary celebration of PhilHealth in the year 2025 ay nasa 48.5 million pesos. Itong amount na ito ay gagamitin ng